In this video, we're going to look at how we would record a payment made by our business to one of its suppliers with which it deals with on credit terms. So what we would do to record this type of payment, first of all, I'd go into the bank accounts module. I'd make sure that the account that the payment is being made from is highlighted, and then I would click on the payments icon and the ribbon at the top. There's a little drop down list here, and I would select the first option, supplier payment. This then opens up a supplier payment window. I can check that the correct bank is being used to record this payment. I can also change the date of the payment. So let's say that we've got a payment that's made on the 20th of the 1st. I can record the check number. If it's not a check payment, if it's a BACS payment, I could just record BACS in there. But let's say that this one is a payment by check, so I'd record the check number, and then I can record who the payment is being made to. So I'll use a drop-down list and select the appropriate supplier name. Let's say that it's Freddie Jones and click on OK. I'll now record the amount that's being paid. So this is 2454.60. What I'll do next is I'll use this table at the bottom of the window to allocate that payment of 2454.60 against the appropriate purchase invoices and purchase credit notes. Let's say that that payment is being made against the opening balance of 1948.20, against the invoice received on the 4th of January for 1132.80, but takes into account the credit note that was received from this supplier on the 9th of January for 626.40. Now, in allocating this amount, the first thing that I should allocate against are any credit notes that are involved in this calculation of the amount payable. So I will select the credit note and I'll pay it in full. I'll then select the opening balances in the invoice that make up the rest of that payment. Once I've done this, we can see that the total amount that's being paid agrees to the analysis of the amounts set against invoices and credit notes. If we note, the check number has disappeared, so I'll put that back in. So 100348. Now that that's been done, and we've allocated all of that payment against the appropriate invoices and credit notes, I can just click on Save, and Sage will then update that supplier record for the payment made. And that is how we would record a payment made to a supplier that we deal with on credit terms.